Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix cannot verify identity. Your action could not be completed because of a server error. Try again. So if you try to sign into your Apple ID and after that you provided a password and you see this kind of error on your Apple ID sign in. So how you can fix that? For this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and the first thing you have to do is you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that, you have to simply turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi internet connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to check whether you have recently restarted your iPhone. So if you have recently restarted your iPhone, then well and good. Then what you have to do, you have to simply again sign into your Apple ID with the correct Apple ID and password. If the problem is still there, then there will be a problem related to your password and Apple ID. So you have to simply change your password on your Apple ID. And after changing the password, you have to sign in again. So this time it will say will not occur. So if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem. So you can also go for the Apple discussion and check whether this kind of error is facing by yourself or any other user of your iPhone also facing this error, and you can ask for the solution how they solve that error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.